Class 10th subject biology. Now today we will do dihybrid cross. In dihybrid cross we are taking two characters together, that is rounded yellow and wrinkled in green. When they produce gametes, the gamete will produce like this, capital R and capital Y and small r and small y. Now next step is to combine with two, that is fertilization, and the result will produce like this, that is capital R, capital Y and small y. It means when these seeds will produce a plant, all were having round and yellow seed. Why it is so? Because capital R is dominant over the wrinkled and the yellow seed are the dominant over the wrinkled seed. When you take these as a parent, that is like this, one is behaving like a male and other is behaving like a female, the gamete will produce of four types, that is capital R with capital R with a small r with a capital Y and small r with a y. These you are taking it as a male gametes and these four are taking with the female gametes. When you combine these, now see how is to combine. That is capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Here capital R, capital Y with small y. Always remember, write the capital R first and then the small r. Okay, and capital Y first, then the small y. Here like this you have to combine first with the all four and second with the all four, third with the all fourth, fourth with the all four. The result will produce like this. When you see all the seeds phenotypically, you will see this type of combination will produce a seed like round and yellow. Here also round and yellow, round and yellow, round and yellow. Here also round and yellow. But see here, there is round, R for the round and Y for the wrinkle, because when two genes are present together, then it is Y, small y, that is green seed will produce. Here also, now by these combination we come to know that the ratio will come, phenotypic ratio will come 9:3:3:1. 9 will be the round and yellow when both will be the dominant, and 3 will be those when one is dominant and other is recessive. 3 again, one is dominant and other is recessive. One will add progeny that will produce both are recessive character. Okay, this is and when you find the genotypic ratio, you have to write, this is very complex, very difficult to find. So phenotypic and genotypic ratio, and this is F2 generation. Thank you.